When we are coding, we might need to program two things at the same time. Animations are much more interesting when there's more than one character.
Let's have a look at how we add more sprites to the animation. Underneath the animation screen, we can see the sprites that have been added. I have the cats and the fish. We can't see the fish because we programmed it to hide in our last session. To add more sprites, we press the plus button at the bottom of the screen. We can then either search for pre-made ones or use the paintbrush to draw our own. When we are programming a sprite, it's important to take note of which sprite is selected. This is shown by the blue box around the sprite's picture. Each sprite has its own set of instructions. Head on over to scratch.mit.edu and have a go at creating some of your own sprites and adding these to your animation.